Hey guys, what is up? Shadow here once again with another VisualBasic.net tutorial. And today we are going to be doing some more Visual Basic. So, in the last tutorial we looked at conditional statements and essentially how those work. So, the next thing we are going to be doing is we are going to be looking at math operators. Now, this is honestly not a very interesting topic, but it's important because I think it's just something we should cover because it actually is useful, believe it or not. In my sniper, this is used, so it is useful. So, I mean, I wouldn't be teaching it if it wasn't. So, alright, so we're going to make two number variables. So actually, I'm going to make these only to the button one method. So, we're going to make dim first as integer is 5. We'll do dim second as integer is 10. Alright. So now we can do a message box, and we'll do, if you do first plus second, that's going to print out the value. Wait, actually, I think that, yeah. So there you go. So you get the value there. So 5 plus 10 is 15. You also can do this with minus. So it will give you the minus value. You can also do times. So that will give you 50. You also can do you can do 0.5. So that's an example of how to use all four of the math operators. There's also the modulo, I believe. I'm not sure how it works in Visual. Oh no, it doesn't work in Visual Basic. I don't really ever use the modulo, so there's probably a way to do it, but I'm too lazy right now. Anyway, so that's how you use math operators. So now we're going to make a simple calculator in Visual Basic. So this is going to be kind of interesting. So this is going to be, I'm going to rename the text here to calculate. So we're going to put two boxes. So we're going to put a box there, and we're going to get another box, and we're going to put this one here. So this is going to be, so if we put, now we're going to add labels. So labels are kind of just, you edit the text. They're just kind of just to show what something is. So we'll do number 1. And then number 2. So these are the two numbers that we are going to have the user input, and then we're going to click calculate. So how to do this? So this is actually pretty simple, but there's one thing I do need to go over. So basically we want, when they click it, that the numbers have to be, they're going to be added. So we want to first message box, and we know that we want to do the first two added. So what do we call these? Let's actually rename these text boxes. So this will be number 1, and this one will be called number 2. So we'll do number 1.text plus number 2.text. Except this actually won't work, and I'll explain why. So if we do 12 and 13, you get 12, 13. And this is because when you're doing this as a text form, it doesn't know it's a number. So you're just adding the strings. It thinks it's a string, so it could just be like letters and letters. So to fix this, you just need to add a second plus sign, and that works. So now we add 12 and 13 and calculate, and you see now it works. So now another thing that we're going to learn in the next tutorial, which is extremely important in pretty much all programming languages, is if somebody does not enter a number, how is the program going to handle it? So let's just try that right now. Let's just enter two random things and click calculate and see what happens. So you're going to notice the program is going to freeze, and you can see an exception was thrown. So you can see it was an unhandled exception. And it says conversion from string to type double. So what it's basically saying is that when we're converting, what we're doing here is when we add the two pluses, we're converting the string to a number. But the letters cannot be converted to a number because they're letters. So I'm going to show you how to detect this and how to prevent this, or prevent errors from being thrown. So that we will cover in the next tutorial. All right. that's going to be it for this tutorial. If you like the video, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.